Mthetho's funeral ceremony took place on the Friday episode of Smoke and Mirrors, and guys, the episode was fire. So if you enjoyed the episode as much as I did, then stay tuned to this video. I'm noticing that people are now starting to get used to the new Caesar. Honestly, I knew that you guys are flip-floppers. You were just refusing to accept that Zolisa is gone. I also actually knew that you'll eventually come back after a month or so. But then, that has nothing to do with this video. This video is about Mthetho's funeral. I really never thought that we'll still be talking about Mthetho even after 10 episodes after his death. I thought it was going to be buried 2 episodes after his death, but then they did well dragging it because I didn't even notice that this plot was dragged for so long. Even bringing his wife to the show and the drama that she caused was a little bit interesting, so I am not really complaining. If you didn't watch the Friday episode of Smoke and Mirror, then don't worry, I got you. Here's what happened. Before the funeral ceremony took place, Thaniswa decided to go and have a chat with Mthetho. While she was with Mthetho's corpse, an old friend came in, and by an old friend, I mean Virginia. You guys will remember that Thaniswa sent Amapara to Virginia's house in pursuit to get her to leave that house so that her and Caesar can move back in. I really don't know what happened here. I really thought that Virginia had left. Would come up on this day, I don't really know. But she just appeared, hit Thaniswa with a candle stand in the head, and put Thaniswa inside Mthetho's coffin. And after all of that, she went inside the church and sat next to Caesar in a seat that was meant for Thaniswa. Imagine. You know, at this point, I am wondering and trying to imagine, what does this whole thing mean? Pella, this could mean that Thaniswa will be buried together with Mthetho. And if you have watched the show, Thaniswa passed out towards the end of the episode. So what if she passes out until they get to the graveyard? I must say, this episode got me so worried. I am only glad that there are no news that say Thaniswa is leaving the show, which means something or someone will come and rescue Thaniswa. The boring part is that we have to wait for the Monday episode to see how is she going to get out of the coffin, and I cannot wait to see if she's going to expose Virginia when she wakes up or what. So guys, those are just my thoughts. Do share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section, and like this video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.